for the last 2.5 years I have been filming with this Osmo Action 1, and it was a great camera actually. It performed really well and it was really nice to use while farming around. Now it's an action camera, and I do want an action camera because they are small, and basically when you are on the tractor you really want small cameras. You cannot carry big cameras around. But I was having issues with the sound even with this fluffy ball on top. It worked perfect against wind. I had no issues with wind recordings at all outside, so that was really good. But the wiring to the camera itself seems to have some struggles, and it often came loose during filming without noticing it, or the connection got bad or something. But there's a lot of connections there that can go bad, and that was the big issue. So it often resulted in a lot of cracks in the sound, and it made my sound basically unusable. So I always had to throw away a lot of video material just because of the bad audio. Now, a few weeks ago this camera came up for sale. So it's the Osmo Action 3. It's basically brand new, and I thought at the day it was released already, I need this one. This one has nice audio recording, so that really makes a lot of sense to me. So I don't need that big microphone on top of there. Still, having a microphone with a whole fluffy ball makes the sound better, as it reduces the wind noise. This one does have a little bit of wind noise, but I just have to try to not record too much wind noise with it. However, if I talk and I do have wind noise, it really filters out my voice really nicely. So that's perfect. So from now on, this will be my main camera. It's the Osmo Action 3 from DJI. I will still use the Osmo Action 1 for workshop projects, as it's really nice to have an older camera around the heavy metal work, so you can get shots up close. But basically that's it. So from now on, this will be my main camera. The only difference that you will notice probably is a little bit more video quality. It has standard HDR, where the Osmo Action only had HDR when I selected it. Still did a really nice job at filming, but it was not always the best HDR, where this one always has perfect HDR. So that will definitely be noticed in the videos, that my lighting is a lot better. That's how my video material is gonna look like for the future. And this is how it looked like in the past. So now let's swap over to the new camera and then continue doing projects with it. So first I will do a little bit of a tour around our shop, as I think that's really nice to get the impression of the camera. And I haven't shown our shop before yet, so I think that also makes sense. So here we got a little shop where we sell all our products that we produce, and also some other products from other growers, just to give a little bit more variety. So we actually got a lot of apple juice here, all different kinds of, and we also got our own apple juice, which we produced at a local place nearby. So that's selling really well. Then we got the shop here. So we actually did it for the COVID. So people got a lot of space here to stand, and then we got 2 cash registers, and we got all the products on the other side of the counter desk, so nobody can infect the products that we sell. And as you can see, we already have a lot of apple varieties and some pears. The plums, they are completely gone by now, as plum season is gone, it's over. But we do have a lot of apples at this time. So we got Santana, we got a new one, we got Elster, Sari, Welland, Delbar, Conference, Doyen de Camise, Triumph de Vienne, Boskoop and Jona Gold. All as a variety for sale at this moment. The Colina, they are already sold out by now. And then we got a lot of new varieties which are not ripe yet, so we haven't picked them, but they will be added to this list here once we got them. Looks like we received a toy. Let's make use of it. If you enjoyed this video, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe so you get a notification when the next video comes online. Thank you for watching.